Good morning, everyone. It's a nice morning today. Looking for my garden, trying to find what I'm gonna do today while I'm not working. I have lots of. I use the tire for my pot plant. That's a lifetime warranty pot plant. It's free. You don't need to buy it. Oh my God! My garden is covered with grass that I'm going to clean my raised up garden today, and that's before it's gonna be cleaned. So all my tomato is just giving up, so I have to take them out. My taro is starting to get really wild. My pijoa is nearly finished soon. My front house gardens need to. It's my lifetime warranty pot plant. If you buy a pot plant today, so expensive, and it's only take maybe 5 to 10 years. After that is going to be destroyed, and it's not enough uh, time to use them. But the tire is very very long time that you can use. Actually, is forever. If you're just going to put a plant, or if you're going to just put a plant on it, all the pijoa in the ground starting to rotten. So I think I'm going to pick up some pijoa later on. And this is my new plant. I hope they're gonna grow nicely. Oh, my jade. From that little piece of jade that I planted in the ground before, now is giving me all this jade from my original one. This is a life in the farm. Still a lot of gardening to do and cleaning up to do.